Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the speed units from mile per hour to kilometer per hour in the Life360 app. Stick around until the end to make sure you can easily track your speed in kilometers per hour. Let's get started. There is no direct feature within the Life360 app that allows you to switch between kilometers and miles. The app relies on your phone's language and region settings to automatically display the distance in either kilometers or miles. And if you want to change this mile per hour into kilometer per hour, go to your phone settings and scroll down, or you can use the search bar to find language and input option. And once you're in the language and input settings, click on languages to access the available language options. After this, scroll through the list of languages and select a region that uses kilometers, such as English Australia or any other country that display distance in kilometers. Avoid choosing English US or English UK, as these regions display distance in miles. After selecting the language, your phone will switch to the new language settings, and Life360 will automatically display speeds in kilometers per hour instead of mile per hour. And once you have changed your language settings, open the Life360 app and the speed units will now be displayed in kilometer per hour. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.